Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. How are you guys? I've missed you. I didn't post a video on Monday and I feel like it's been since forever. It's just last week was spring break and usually I do a lot of not pre-filming, but I have a schedule set of when I record, edit, and upload. And last week, since it was spring break, my daughter was at home and I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to enjoy this week and take some time off, not worry about filming. And the video that I had ready, I had to scrap it, so I didn't post a video for Makeup Monday, which I am so sorry. I know tons of you look forward to it. Make sure you subscribe, don't leave, because I will have a new video for next Monday and as well on Friday. So today we are doing an Ulta haul. I did a lot of shopping. You already know. Grab your cafecito. I am gonna enjoy my boba with you guys. This is a mango smoothie boba with mango popping boba. It's delicious. So cheers to you guys if you're drinking coffee, milk, water, whatever it is. And let's go ahead and start with today's video. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and start. This box is pretty big, so we're just gonna get some stuff out of the way. Really quickly, I'm gonna show you some PR that I got from Mercier. So they just released some new lip glazes. These are hydrating lip glosses, and they have like the classic ¿cómo se llama? The classic, oh my gosh, I can't think of the word, but the ingredients that Laura Mercier always adds into her lip tints or her lip glosses and stuff, which is amazing. They have 5 new shades. They have Rosé, Vanilla, Cream Caramel, Baby Doll, and Rose Syrup. As you can see, these are really pretty. They are very light. I've already swatched them. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can get like little sneak peeks of like PR unboxings and things like that. I'm sure you guys know which one is going to be my favorite one. Vanilla. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. It's going to be my absolute favorite. These 3 are matte and the last 2 have a beautiful like shimmering finish. So if you guys are looking for new hydrating glosses that are like a hybrid of a balm and a gloss, this is exactly what it is. And I just can't wait to play with them. I placed an order to Beauty Bay. This is a brand that I think I had seen before, but I had never tried. And so I placed an order because I saw this palette immediately. I knew I had to buy it. So I bought this one. It's called the Midnights 42 color palette. It's a UK brand. And look at how beautiful it is. It has rich purples and blues, and it's just, oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. I don't really own a lot of palettes with like purples and blues, and honestly I'm not the biggest fan of like big palettes like this because I feel like I don't get much use out of them, but I do love purple and I feel like I use it very often in my colorful looks. So I know I'm going to use this palette a lot. And then they also had a mini berries palette. So this is a 9 color palette and this is what it looks like. Really pretty. I've never tried this brand, like I said, so I'm not familiar with the formula, but it looks very amazing. And then I also picked up this Brush Up brow soap. I do have one that I love, but I always just like to try new things, so I picked this one up. I did try it once, didn't really love it, but I have to give it another try. The soap was a little dry for my taste, but again, I need to try it again. I picked up a Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Love this one. I think I've used maybe like 3 bottles by now. This stuff is so good. The value size always lasts me forever. It's maybe like 10 bucks or something like that, and I love that it's not harsh on the skin. And for those days that I'm just feeling super lazy and I don't want to rinse off or wash my face, I make sure that I take it off with this, which is not very often, but it does come in handy and I just love to use it. So picked or stocked up on that. Okay, so I was looking for, I think, a primer, and this one just popped up as a recommendation on my feed. So I was like, okay, let me look at it. It is a Clinique Pore Refining Solutions Instant Perfector. I immediately was drawn because Pore Refining Solutions, right? I have excuse me, large pores, oily skin, and anything that minimizes the appearance of my pores. Like, I'm always looking for anything that will help that, and this had amazing reviews. Okay, it is a little bit pricey and it's really small, as you can see. Like, the little tubito is tiny. When I opened it, I was like, you gotta be kidding me. This was almost $30. But you guys, I've been testing it maybe for the past like 2 days, and this stuff is amazing. I will have to show you guys in a video, but it just blurs your skin and it makes it look so beautiful. Oh my goodness. For the weekend, for spring break, we went to visit San Antonio, Texas, which I fell in love with San Antonio. By the way, if you're from San Antonio, let me know in the comments. But I wore this and oh my goodness, girl, my skin looked a blur. My sister, she was like, what foundation are you wearing? Like, what is this concoction? Because your skin looks so good. I was like, I know, right? So I told her about it. But yeah. Moving on, I also bought a new brush. This is from Real Techniques. It is their Tapered Cheek brush. It's new, and I just love trying out new brushes, even though I have like holy grail brushes, but it's always nice to just change things up. And this one is a blush brush, which I thought was super cute. I loved the shape of it, and honestly, Real Techniques is probably one of the best drugstore brands from brushes or for brushes. It's just really good, really affordable, and they have like a variety of brushes to use for your face and eyes. So I thought this one would be really nice to either use it for cream blush or for powder blush, not brush. Lashes. So I've been really trying to like try out new lashes, and I saw these from Colourpop. I've never tried any lashes from Colourpop. These are the MAMI falsies. They're faux lashes, and they looked really pretty on the website. Now that I see them in person, I'm like, they looked okay. I'll have to try them on, and hopefully they look a little bit better. But just on the packaging, not my favorite. I also tried these TL3 Faux Mink Tati lashes. I don't know where they went. I think they're in my desk somewhere, but these are not from Ulta. These are just from a website, and they are actually really, really pretty. I bundled everything here from Luce, which is Becky G's brand. It is now available at Ulta. I had no idea until I saw it on the Ulta website. I had originally not really been into her makeup line. Like, I don't follow her music, so I just didn't really care for it, honestly. But when I saw it, I was like, okay, that's actually pretty cute. Let me order some stuff. So I got 2 of her Forever Brillante liquid eyeshadows. I got the shade Aquamarine as well as Crystal Mint. For some reason, I always gravitate towards the blue and then I never wear them. So this one is called Aquamarine. It's really pretty though. They have great pigments, and I like that they don't get chunky. This one, oh, I cannot wait to use it. It is called Crystal Mint, and it's a lighter mintier blue. Really, really pretty. And then I think I got 2 of her liquid lipsticks. I don't know where I left the other one because I did open all the packaging and I'm really bad at putting things back. But this is in the shade Bold y Atrevida. Or is that the name of her packaging? I don't know. I think this one's called Daring. But it's a liquid lipstick, and honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of this color. Or maybe it's a lip gloss. I don't even know. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. But that is the lipstick. I'm pretty sure it's the liquid lipstick. It's really pretty. I feel like it's a very Becky G color. Definitely not my color, but I do want to step out of my comfort zone, so I am going to keep it. I also picked up a Out the Door Ready to Bounce blush, which looks like this. It's really pretty. Honestly, it looked way more corally online. And here it's a little bit more like terracotta red. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this, but I'm gonna try it out. And then this one though, I had been wanting a gel color pencil that was like a nude color. This one's called Tranquila, and as you can see, it's just a nude color. It's the one that I'm wearing in my waterline right now, and it's really pretty actually. It's really pigmented, and it's pretty long wearing as well. The most exciting thing from this Luce's is the I Am palette. I have already used it once because I got impatient, and you will see that it is a tiny bit used, but this is the packaging. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. It has her face. She's so pretty. And then the packaging. The colors, you guys, are amazing. I feel like Becky G tends to wear like bright colors. I see her sometimes on my Instagram. This color right here, matte, is stunning. Then she has some like greens and just a really, really pretty palette. Like these neon oranges right here. I cannot wait to create a bomb look with that. So really excited about that purchase, really. I was really genuinely excited. The rest of the stuff is Fenty Beauty and then a little bit of Morphe. So these are the other lashes that I ordered from Tati Lashes, TL4 and Faux Mink. I had never tried these lashes before, but I seen Dazzling Taisha on YouTube, and they look really pretty on her. So I tried them, or I bought them, and I like them so far. So from Fenty Beauty, I'm going to show you guys what I got from Morphe, since that's not a big order. So from Morphe, I ordered the True Story liquid lipstick. Actually, Morphe's liquid lipsticks are really good, you guys. I love how pigmented they are, and I like the formula. So True Story is that one right there. It's a really pretty nude, of course. And then they recently released new lip glosses. I got 2 nude shades. I got Sweet Tea and Extra Exposed. I did use Extra Exposed, I think, yesterday, and I love it. It is such a true beigey nude. It's that glossy shade. And then Sweet Tea is the same color of their lip liner, which I cannot find my lip liner. I need to get me another one because I don't know where I left it. So it's that one. It's a little bit more of a deeper red undertone brown, but it's really, really pretty. So that is everything from Morphe. Moving on to Fenty. I'm pretty sure everything else is from Fenty except for this, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in white. I've seen this TikTok hack where you apply this before you apply your foundation, and then you put your foundation in the concealer. It's supposed to give you a super brightening effect, but you can also use it as an eyeshadow primer. So anyways, I got that from Fenty Beauty. I ordered mainly stuff that I had never tried from them before. So I got the Kilowatt Main Money and Hustla Baby liquid, or not liquid, but highlighter. This one is really pretty, and I thought it would look really good on me since I am a little bit more tan skin. And it's really nice. It has like a nice peachy champagne tone to it. I got this blush because it just looked so pretty, and I've never tried, again, her cream blushes. This is in the shade Fuego Flush, and it's a really intimidating, like, bright orange, but it's so pretty, and I think it looks really nice on like deeper skin tones. I also ordered her new lipsticks, which honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of her packaging. Like, I'm not crazy about the idea that you have to buy the packaging separately and then the lipstick separately. I mean, maybe, I don't know why she did that, but I'm going to show you guys the lipstick color that I got. It's called Pose Queen. Honestly, this is the only color that kind of caught my attention. All the other ones are either too pink or too deep, which is that one right there. I have to say that the formula, immediately, I loved it. It's so creamy. I also got the shade from the Stunna lip paint in Unbutton. I've always wanted this, and I never bought it because I'm always like, I don't need it, I don't need it, I don't need it. And then the day that I ordered all this, I was just like crazy, you know. I was just like, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, like, girl. So I finally bought it, and I'm not mad at it because it's such a pretty color. Oh, I also bought the foundation because I didn't have it anymore. I used to own it, and then I got rid of it, but I ordered the wrong shade, so it's in my purse, and I need to return it to Ulta to get a new shade. So that is everything for Fenty Beauty. The last things that I ordered are from Makeup Revolution. I've seen these on Instagram. Ben and Rose, I believe that's what her name is on Instagram. Excuse me, these are the Makeup Revolution Eye Bright Illuminating Under Eye Concealers. This is in the shade Camel or Caramel, but I've seen that she uses as bronzer, and I have already used it, as you can tell, and I really like it. It's a really nice caramely shade. I also got the highlighter in the shade Gold Lights, and I do not like this. The formula is very strange. I have to play with it again. Maybe it was the way that I applied it. It's really pretty on the skin, but it came out dry and then made my foundation a little bit patchy. So I am going to have to play with all this makeup, test it all for you guys. But that is everything. That is all the makeup that I bought from Ulta. I spent way too much money, way unnecessary. But stay tuned because I will be filming a video playing with all the new makeup. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see a tutorial with this palette first or the Becky G palette. I will obviously be filming with both of them, but let me know which one you want to see first. Whichever gets the most likes or whatever, then I will film that video first. So that is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video, and happy shopping in case you guys do any shopping. I love you. Bye.